The importance of events like this lies in a golden thread of bringing together three critical parts of industry. The first is academia, the industry itself, the employers, and of course government, and ensuring that all of them come together.
You've got a huge array of industries in one location, in one day, that give us a chance to meet a range of clients across the spectrum.
Hours have flown by today and the conversations just haven't stopped.
That's what makes an event like this so unique, is that it's a bunch of events all within the same event.
We were looking for an event just like this, where we can come to and really demonstrate what we can do. And I think this has hit the mark perfectly for us.
This is a really good opportunity for them to come and talk to a broad sweep of the manufacturing sector about those opportunities. The engagement's been really good, and if it was going to be similar again next year, we'd be happy to be here again.
It's an incredible time for the industry, and it's incredibly needed. Wales has this very unique opportunity at the moment to set ourselves apart, to be brave and take some big decisions and some big steps. This event, I'm hoping, is a big catalyst towards that.
It is really great to see time and attention put into Wales.